Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can insert a SIM card to your Motorola Moto G73 5G. For that, you need a simple paper clip or your SIM card ejector. I take a simple paper clip right now, and then we'll go ahead and look for the SIM card slot. And on this phone, it's up here. So we open it and then take it out, and we have a space for an SD card and also a SIM card. So go ahead and insert our SIM card and then put that in and put the whole thing back in the phone. Now we need to unlock our SIM card, and now we're back in the phone. You can now make calls, and if we go to our settings, go to network and internet and go to SIM cards, we have our SIM card here, so we can now send SMS, make calls, do whatever we want. So that's how you can insert a SIM card to your Motorola Moto G73 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.